Peel's about his body here. Here we go. That will do it.
Terrific work in their own end. Ottawa with the extra attacker. Victor Hedman with the spin around shot, knowing McDonough had some room and time in behind all the Ottawa Senators coming out of the box. You got to know when the penalties are up against you and for you. And so it's not icing because McDonough gets there first, spins around and finds the back of the net, and a huge sigh of relief there.
And how huge is the awareness there of the veteran McDonough to make sure he negates the icing, because you had some exhausted Lightning players out there. That's icing. That's still a lot of trouble.
Yeah, no doubt. This is a huge goal, no doubt, especially it's been so difficult to score 4 goals in a game. It's been a long time, it seems like, for the Lightning to have been able to get there, but man, they have battled. Their battle level has been there right since the drop of the puck and started attacking Ullmark right off the bat. It has not come easy, and they give up the first goal against on a power play goal by Ottawa. So now you start to think, okay, is it going to be another one of those nights? But they weren't going to let it be that way.
They were shooting Ottawa badly up to that point when Amadio scored, and you're right, they could sort of hung their heads, and they came out in the second period, reestablished themselves. Here we are. Here's the Toyota road ahead.
Yeah, Thursday, same team.
Yep.
Ottawa stays here.
Ottawa.
It's a weekend series.
And Saturday at Detroit. ABC.
Games at 1 o'clock.
See Randall, Brian Ingram, and reporters Gavin Shirley.
After the timeout, they want to get Ullmark to the bench. There he goes. Here comes Sanderson. It's a 2-goal lead right now. Up the middle of the ice. There's a shot. They score. Wow, a rush by Drake Batherson has made it 4-3 with 1:20 on the clock.
A stunner here. Batherson is coming with speed, and the Lightning are trying to hold the blue line. The problem is it's always about who has the speed. McDonough realizes a little late that there's a gap there, and he has to turn and go. He pushes him to the outside. I don't know if it ramped up off McDonough's stick or not, but Batherson just skated to daylight. Is he able to control the puck? No, I think it was a clean shot, but he catches Vasi going from his right to his left and shoots back to the far side. So a stunner.
I'm shocked. Like, what happened? Bet cheer girls at that game. Like, what did just happen?
And now it's a 1-goal game again.
We've talked all night about how Ottawa can score. They score.
I know she's at the game, just like, what happened? She's probably shaking her head like, wow, okay.
So they make it potentially interesting here, or they do make it interesting, no doubt about it. Backing up is McDonough, up ahead to Kucherov. Kucherov steps inside the line.
All right, 5 minutes to go.
Battling for it against Sanderson. Time and time again, he's made plays tonight, and this goes all the way down the ice.
Devils and Penguins, overtime.
Ullmark again to the extra attacker for Ottawa. 45 seconds remain.
Oh, look at that. Washington Capitals 6-3. What if Vince going to score that game? Brunski's going to play that puck.
Sanderson knocks it away from Kucherov, and we get a whistle.
For the battle level right to the very end here, Ottawa's not giving up, and the Lightning have to battle for every single inch. That guy's had a really good game. So was Kucherov.
Kucherov.
Those two guys playing well. But Brandon Hagel in particular, I think, has just done a terrific job of just playing crazy hard every single shift. And having Cirelli come back from missing several shifts, injured for a while, we thought he might be done for the night. Just kind of, I assumed he was. And then all of a sudden he reappeared here in the third. And that has been a gigantic shot in the arm.
Ullmark back in the net while they get position. There he goes for one last push by Ottawa. Extra attacker racing into the action. And off the bench, there's a shot in his block. Kucherov gets it away. The empty net at 10.
Oh, hit the post. Oh.
Hagel hits the post. 10 seconds to go. Here's Kachuk. One-time shot goes wide. 4 seconds. Another time. It's blocked. Cirelli clears Cooper and the Lightning tonight against the Ottawa.
And those are 2 big points.
Final. Diego with a big goal in the third, and the empty net goal by McDonough is your game winner. Back to wrap it up right after this.